Thank you for visit my channel. In this channel, you have learned what is the blogging, and this video I will show you my AdSense earning from my website. Okay. So step by step, I have show you my Google AdSense earning, and whatever is shown that today's earning is 2.80 and yesterday earning 6.17. But before I have go further, I'll tell you, please subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And after end this video, I'll show you what is the my website, and fully I have proof in my this video. Okay. So what you are seeing that and I have start my one of my jobs website, www.indnaukri.com. It's in India, and I am earning from last 2 months. In last payment I received $169, and it's my in blogging website. Okay. So you have seen that 2,47,000 views in my website, and today's views is 4466, and yesterday I received views in my website is 8648. Okay. In this video I'll show you proof of my earning today, yesterday, and last 7 days and last 30 days fully. Okay, with proof. So I just want to share that it's my AdSense account, and I have refreshed this AdSense account so that you can believe me. You have to earn money online from website or blogging. Okay. Refresh this account so that you can believe this is real earning from my website. I have earned from last 3 months, and I got approval from Google AdSense last 3 months, and last payment I received $169, and this month I earn $36 in last 7 days. Okay. And you have seen that in average earning in my website is $5. It's enough in India. $5 into 72 rupees in, I think, 35 350 350 rupees per day. Okay. So it's enough in India, but I thought my website to run in out of India so that I can learn more, earn more. Okay. So as you seen in my daily basis earning, minimum $4, $7, and $5.27 average. Okay. And my CPC is going to 0.05. Okay. And RPM 0.71, and total viewable, active viewable 46%, and average click I received in my website is 200, and total click I received 2000. Okay. In these 7 days I'll show you in last 30 days total data which I received money or earning from my website. So as you seen that my graph is down or increase or decrease, average earning is $5. Okay. And last 30 days I received earning in $189, and average earning I received $5, $5-6. Okay, so this is my real proof. Okay, you have seen, and this channel I have fully proof for Google AdSense account. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment. This is my real proof. Okay, I'll show you my website. This is my website indnaukri.com. Whenever you search this indnaukri.com in Google, my website will be shown. And this is Google AdSense ad is running in sidebar, and between the every and each post you have seen this first just a minute. Okay, this is a ad, and second ad, fourth ad, fifth ad, 7 ad, 7 to 8 ad I am running in every and each post, and this is ad in between the matches content ad. This is ad, this ad, and this ad I received from Google AdSense, and I'll show you my website for proof with proof. Here received, I am received money from Google AdSense. It's very good. Google AdSense, if you got a Google AdSense approval in your website, you can earn money from your blog or website. But I thought that I'm start one website for out of India, because in India I am receive very low CPC rate, so my earning is low when I received 4,000 views per day, but my earning is $5 to $6 only. So I thought that I am started one website out of India. Okay, and this is my first blog and second video in YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel so that you can watch my real time earning and blogging help and SEO technique, and and every and each video I'll show you with proof, and practically videos I will make for you, so that you can motivate with my videos, and I have a 2 to 3 year experience in blogging, so that I thought that I make one YouTube channel, so that I can earn and I can learn, and you will be motivated with my videos. In my English is not good, but I am trying to share something about blogging related articles and tips, SEO related tips, online marketing, online earning, and YouTube help, and YouTube monetization help. Everything I'll make a video in English, so that you can learn from me also, and whatever you have doubt, please comment me and subscribe my channel. And if you like my if this video is valuable for you, please like my video. Thank you for watching.